What's up, everybody? Matt here's here. We're gonna switch gears. We're gonna go to my Scx10 II. I don't think I've put this thing on the channel, but we're gonna not make this a deadbolt. So we have injora links. So we are going to take it to a 313, which is a 12.3. So we'll do a little bit of work on this guy, and we'll see where we go from there. So everybody, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And everybody, watch out for some videos in the channel of maybe some other stuff popping up. So everybody have a great weekend. Later.